In slide number 2, we're asked to write the equation of the line that contains the 2 points. And after that, we want to use that equation to solve for y. So, when we write the equation of a line, we need 2 things. We need the slope and the point. But we have 2 points already right here, so we can just pick one of these. And so now we just need the slope. In order to find the slope, we need to go from one point to the other by counting the vertical distance and the horizontal distance between the 2 points. So, in order to count the vertical distance and the scale is by 1. So right now, this is from 0 to -2. So there are 4 spaces equivalent to 2 units. So what we want to do is zoom out so that our scale is by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now we are ready to find the slope. So to find the slope, I will start from the bottom point and I will go up. Okay, go up. So this is the vertical distance, and that's gonna be, I went up 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going up 4 units. And then we need to go to the left. Okay. Okay, so 1, 2, okay, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to the left 5 units. Therefore, the slope is, okay, let's put it here. The slope is equal to, going up is positive and going to the left is negative. So therefore, this is positive 4 over negative 5, or simply negative 4 over 5. We can put the negative in the middle. All right, so we got the slope. Now, we just need to pick one point. So let's say we pick this point. Now, it doesn't matter which, okay, it's covered. I'll pick this one. Oops. Okay, so this point is 3, 1. So let me just erase this. Okay, we can erase this now. So let's pick 3, 1. So to write the equation of the line, we're going to start with y minus, okay, and then we pick the y value of the point. So every point is labeled as x, y. The first number is for x and the second number is the y component. So in this case, we'll have y minus, okay, y minus 1 equals, and here we put the slope. The slope is negative 4 over 5. So negative 4 over 5 times, now we do the x's, x minus, and then we get the x value of this point, which is 3. Now notice that the line went through both points. Now, after writing the equation of the line, what we want to do is simplify this and solve for y, meaning to say get the y alone. So in order to get the y alone, we need to apply distributive property here. In order to do that, we put 1 underneath these numbers here, and then we know that we're going to multiply fractions. So here we're going to have y minus 1 equals negative 4 over 5x plus 12 over 5. Now we want y alone, but here we have minus 1. So what we're going to do is add 1 to both sides. So we're going to add 1 to both sides. So add 1. So therefore, this is going to be y equals negative 4 over 5x plus 12 over 5 plus 1. We can put 1 over 1. Now, these two are constants and we should put them together. We should combine them. But we cannot combine them yet because they don't have the same denominator. We can only combine two fractions if they have the same denominator. So, to make them have the same denominator, we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. Because 5 over 5 is 1. And when you multiply 1 by this, then it's still 1. It doesn't change the value. But if you multiply 1 by 5 over 5, its denominator will become 5, which is the same as the denominator of this fraction. So let's write that down. So we'll have y is equal to negative 4 over 5x plus 12 over 5 plus 5 over 5. Or 5 over 5. What did I do? 5 over 5. And now we can simplify because they have the same denominator already. So we can combine the two. So negative 4 over 5x plus 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 over 5. Okay. So therefore, the equation, let me write it here. Y equals negative 4 over 5x plus 17 over 5. This is the y form. When we solve for y, this is what we will get. Okay, so let me just erase this and check if this is correct. Okay, is what we got correct? So we'll have here, okay, and I'm gonna put the equation here. So we got y, oh no, here, next line, y equals negative 4 over 5 x plus 17 over 5. And notice that we have the lines in the same exact spot. That means that these two lines are the equation for the same line. These two equations are the equation for the same line. Okay, now this form, the top form, is called point slope form. Because when we write it, we needed a point and the slope. And when we look at this equation, we can determine which one is the slope and which one is the point. This is the slope, and the point is the x value and the y value here. Put them together, and that's the point. So point, I want blue. So the point is, in this case, 3, 1. And then the slope is negative 4/5. Okay. Now, this other form, this one, this is, okay, what do we call this? Okay, let's check first what information this equation give us. Well, the negative 4/5 is the slope, so it tells us the slope. Now, how about this 17 over 5? What is this visible on the line? If we look at the line, so let's click on the line and see if we can find something special about it. And when we click on the line, it will show us some interesting points, like the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Now, if we look at the y-intercept, we notice that this is 3.4. So over here, let's find what is the value of 17 over 5. 17 over 5 is 3.4. That means this is the same as the y-intercept. So therefore, we call this form the slope-intercept form. Okay, so we'll put here that, okay, this form, I want red. Oh, no. Okay, this form is called the slope-intercept form because it gives us the slope and this guy is the y-intercept. So I want you to be able to write the equation of a line using point slope and using slope-intercept form.